Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI Nova 10 Pro, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first let's open the HUAWEI application, and now let's here in the search bar enter Ampere. So let's now just get this application, tap to get, tap to continue, and wait a couple of seconds. Now just click to download and wait while this application downloading, and then we'll install our app here on our HUAWEI device. So now let's just click to allow, click to install, and we can see that our device successfully, our application successfully installed. So let's open the app here, click yes I agree, pick close, tap here to OK twice, and we can see that the temperature of our device battery is 35 degrees. Also we can find here more information like the level, capacity, model for our smartphone, and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.